Want your videos to feel more cinematic or intense? Speed ramping, that smooth slowdown or speed up effect, can make action scenes pop. And yes, you can do it in free editors like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Before we start, give this a like and subscribe. Editing doesn't have to be expensive to be awesome. Step 1. Choose your clip. Import a clip with motion, walking, driving, spinning, etc. Step 2. Split the clip. Find the point where you want the speed change to happen, like before a jump or punch. Split the clip into 3 parts. Before ramp. Slow part. After ramp. Step 3. Adjust speed. In CapCut, select the middle clip. Tap speed curve. Use the montage or hero preset and tweak the curve. In Resolve, enable retime controls and use the speed points to stretch or compress sections of your clip. If that helped add some flair to your edit, like and subscribe. Next, we'll cover combining speed ramp with sound effects. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.